You just want to sort it, Trent? Trent. Trent. Yeah. You just want to sort it?
I want to sort it by a certain thing.
Yeah, man. Look. So basically, you want to sort like a player class or something
It's a list of
of
players.
players? Yeah.
Just to keep it simple, but I'm doing the list by the identifiable interface.
Yeah, you could do it like that. I'll give you an example real quick, man. If you look at the board. So what we'll do is we'll make like a class real quick called player. I'm gonna put it in utilities. That'd be a good spot for it. Yeah.
I'm gonna send you my interface.
All right. Yeah, do that. All right. So this is it. Okay. So that's the interface right there. So you have this public interface undamageable. Then you have void take damage, and then you have this entity speed, right? So basically, like if you have a player, you would implement the iDamageable, right? And then what we'll do is we'll make a public constructor for the player, right? Taking in an int for speed. That's it. And then we'll make some private member variable, and then a public getter for it. Okay, so if you want to get this public, say again?
Use entity speed.
Yeah.
I want you to use that as your gift.
Ah.
That's what it's there
Ah.
for.
Yeah.
I'm comparing by interface.
Got it. No, I got it. Hold on. So I need to
Implement that.
implement this. So control period on it, implement that interface, and see whenever I take damage, it's just gonna take damage. But when I do entity speed, I'm just gonna return m underscore speed. That's it. All right. So if I go to this integration class, we'll go here. Let me get rid of this. I'll put I'll do the using on utilities.
I need to use that.
No, dude, I'm just trying to get it
get it
going real quick. So all right. So if I do a bunch of players, so player P1, P2, P3, P4, like that.
I know you can do it like that.
Well, hold up. No, you can. So like this is a namespace utilities. This needs to be a public class because we're gonna access it from some other project. Yeah. Oh, I don't think I know if it needs one.
Okay, well you can construct them by the speed. So like that.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need that. Yeah.
I think if you're doing like general like with the comments, I need that public.
Yeah. Because you're just like saying that it is a thing.
No,
We'll go back to it. Yeah.
No.
Well, it still needs to construct the object.
Yeah.
But anyways, that's a good point. So they're declared, but they're never used.
Uninitialized.
Yeah. So P1 actually.
There's no setter on that, so you have to go through.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. How much is it worth? It's worth a lot. Yeah, it's usually 10.
So we'll just kind of
Anyway,
set this up a
20%.
roundabout way.
We know what we're looking for.
Right.
Yeah.
So like if I add these dudes to a list, right? So I'm gonna make a list and I'll call it, and it'll be of type player.
Yeah.
And this is a party.
You wouldn't want to do it by the
All right.
interface.
Okay.
And then maybe we could.
Yeah, I'm doing it by interface because I have a player class and a different entity class. I don't want to compare both
Okay.
objects, but they both implement from the same interface, so they both can go in that same list.
Yeah. So we'll add
Players 1 through 4.
what that don't work. Like what? Oh.
You need to put probably the parentheses around.
Nah, I need to do the using for it.
I don't know what the list is.
Yeah, I need to know. You're gonna need this. I think that's it. What the? Oh, I already have it on damageable.
You already have it implemented.
There we go. And then you can add them.
You make sure you get it up.
All right. So
We have our list.
what we'll do is we'll just say
Sort.
party dot for each.
So that the equals and then the greater than sign, is that a key?
It's almost. I'm gonna tell you. I just want to do like a quick print. So
Maybe another parentheses. Yeah.
okay. So if I put this breakpoint right here, just to show you, like, I'm just gonna print out
Each one.
each one. Oh
So
shit.
for each is a enumerable, not enumerable. It iterates, right?
Well,
For each.
yeah. It's like it's a method that can be called on a list.
Okay.
All right.
Just like
So
doing a for each on a list.
yeah, and I'm doing it this way to kind of I want to show you, like, you can, if you start to think like this,
Mhm.
we're using this equal arrow like a it means where.
Where?
Yeah, X where, and then you're doing it for each item, and then
So X is like the variable name.
yeah.
Gotcha. And that should give you the entity speed of each one.
Right.
In order, the way
that they were added to the list.
It says all zeros.
Yes, it does.
You know the players and you have people.
Why it does that? Let me see what this thing is, real quick.
Yeah, what the list is.
Yeah, like if they get added properly. Oh, I never do anything with it.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
So yeah.
So yeah, this should definitely give us something useful now. If you look at the different entities and we constructed them, yeah. So that has a speed now.
Nice.
So if you step over right here, it's gonna go 5, 1, 3, 100 because 5, 1, 3, 100, right? So this is basically doing this method call on a actual list is basically the same as saying for each var x in party, right?
It confuses me when I do.
Debug.writeLine x.entity speed. That's what that does right there. Okay, so yeah, so it's like if you did var p, it would be like printing out p. All right, so yeah. Or so for each var, well, you wouldn't want to say player because I mean we use a player right there. Like it's a throwaway. It's just using it to enumerate over them. It makes an object and assigns it to each item in the collection. So.
Gotcha. But sorting them.
What's up, Robin? You need something? Robin?
No, he's talking with Dylan Mitchell.
Okay. Did you need something from me?
No.
All right. Okay.
Okay. It just helps me.
Yeah. So okay. So if you do that, that's going to give the same output as the this right here. What we can do is say party dot sort, right? And then we can do x dot. Let me see if this is it.
Yeah, well, I'm showing you too. See how we put stuff down?
Shit, I thought this was it. Sort by.
You want it to feel like the world could be changed when you cut down trees.
And then this thing needs a.
Yeah, it's gonna see here how.
Have you used this function called? No, I'm not.
Yo, no, I have. I just need to remember. Let me see.
In your world.
It kind of cuts on me having to make, if this. Because I had like 4 if statements. I just want, hey, I feel like there should be something for it already.
No, we used it before.
Let's go. I was just right there.
Yeah.
It's like some of the syntax kind of confuses me because I've used it like that, like the equals greater than sign.
when the final frame of animation, that's where it stays.
I don't understand why choices you
Mhm.
have.
That's all it really is.
That's fucking.
You don't need to have it all
I
physics
want to be
driven.
able to click it. I don't know what the fuck.
Lambda.
Ah,
I'm using the sort to pretty much I create my player on the entities. I put them in a list. I want to sort them by the entity speed, and whoever's first goes first in the combat. Nice. Yeah, that's about what I had, and it didn't.
so
It didn't sort it.
so this should sort it.
Put it in the same order as I put it.
Maybe I should print them out again.
You still live streaming?
Yeah, so you'll be able to read it. You'll be able to listen to it after we do this. Yeah, so then that'll sort it. So
Okay.
what we need is we need to make a lambda expression where we say, okay, A, B, right?
2 variables.
Yeah, so 2 variables in which A is going to represent this,
damageable.
the first item, and then B will represent the next item. So we're going to compare a thing to another thing.
Okay.
What is the thing that we want to compare against? We want to compare the entity speed. Okay.
Bless you.
So this is I'd have to look at the super specifics of it, but like if you wanted to just take it for what it is, like this right here is it's wrapping the. I don't even think you would need to like put this. Yeah, that should work fine too.
So how you say it?
Lambda.
Lambda.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's a lambda expression.
Mhm.
So what we're saying is that we're going to declare some arguments right here, and then what do we do with these arguments? Since it's going over the list, we'll say, well, we want to take A, where we know A is going to, if A is in party, that's a member of party, and B is in party, then what we want to do is say, okay, A dot entity speed, and we'll compare it to the other one's entity speed. But that's the thing that we want to compare against. That's what makes it I-comparable.
Okay.
So that'll sort it by that. If you want to sort it by some other thing, you would have to define it.
And
there.
it starts at the first index of that list?
Yeah.
Because, overloaded say you can specify the index of it too.
Oof. Yeah, I don't know about all that.
Yeah.
I don't know about all that.
I don't know why we need to do that, just to make it sure. Okay.
Oh, I think you could do like from element in. Oh my Jesus, no, I don't like that.
I get it.
You can use a sort method,
Lambda.
but you could also do some. There's some other stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
You would need length though to get this one going.
Ah,
This one just needs systems collections generic. So it's use a sort lambda expression.
nice.
In which if you start getting used to these, man, it makes like filtering your stuff a lot and ordering your stuff a lot more cleaner.
Mhm.
But this will sort the entire collection by that thing that you're stating you want to sort by.
Okay. Do you ever plan to go over Lambda with us
Later.
later?